Hey, Dirt Farmer Jay here from dirtfarmerjay.com. I love having a drill press, and if you have one in your shop, you do too. But if you can get some extra accessories that make this even work harder and they don't cost a lot, that's a winner. Well, there's a couple of accessories that I really like using with this drill press. One is a hold down set, and the other one is a tool accessory set. We're gonna start with this one to begin with. I bought this from Lee Valley Tools. You can go right up to leevalley.com and get this for about 20 bucks. Now I really like this accessory because number one, it's part of micro manufacturing. They literally made it using CNC and Baltic birch plywood. And so I like that kind of thing where someone has a great little product, ingenuity, and then manufactures it and then puts it out for 20 bucks. So here's the cool thing about this. It comes simply packaged. You can see the packaging is just simply a poly bag with a descriptor card attached to the top. And when you remove it out of the first thing I did is go ahead and sand it and then lightly varnish it. And I put on a couple coats of an interior spar varnish on this, an oil type, because you don't want this to accept stains and that sort of thing when grubby hands and mill oil or just the black that comes off of this kind of tooling on your hands. I don't want to stain the tool. So I went ahead and varnished it. And then you can see there's only 6 parts to this. The tool holder, the clamp, the clamping nuts and rods. And then it also comes with a little hex key like this that go on the ends of the tool here to clamp it on here. Now, this particular tool clamps to a column that's anywhere from 2.5 inches in diameter up to 3.25 inches. So if the column you have on your drill press was within that range, then this little tool worked beautifully for you. Now, as far as capacity of what it holds, there are 17 1/4-inch holes. There is a 3/8 inch through hole, which would work really well for a chuck key. This particular drill press is chuckless, so I would drop that right here and it'd keep it handy. But there are 17 of these, one of those, 6 3/8 inch holes, which really work great for Forstner bits, and then 6 1/2 inch. And all of these holes, with the exception of the one up in the front, are all stopped. So if I put something there, they're going to hit, they're not going to drop through. Over here also, you'll notice that there is a 3/4 inch through hole, and this is a great place if you want to mount a flexible arm task lamp. This is a great place to do it. This is really stable. It's clamped on here nicely. And so this is going to put all these tools really handy right next to where you're going to be using them all the time. There's also a little bitty little recessed tool well right here, which is a great place to put nuts and screws and loose items here while you're working. I'm just going to set the Allen wrench there. 20 bucks, you guys. leevalley.com. You can get that right there. That's a great little accessory. Now, second one that I bought from Lee Valley are these little hold down clamps, and these cost about $8 to $9 from them. The model number is a 86N8003 hold down clamp. If I remember correctly, they were exactly $8.50 plus shipping, and they're very simple devices, but here's how they work. If you notice, they have this piece of extrusion that fits right in this down here. So when I slide that in, there it's going to grip. Now I put this up through here, and then you're going to tighten this. So let's suppose I wanted to clamp this there to stop rotation forces or to keep it right precisely where I've set it so it doesn't move during the drilling or milling process. Well, I'm simply going to reach over, tighten this down, and when I do, because of the way this being off center, that's going to put a great deal of pressure on that. As you can see, I am wiggling the whole drill press, grabbing this right here. And then they come off just really quickly as well. So there's no reason not to have these type of things. That's a great safety device like I said, not only does it keep it accurate where the work is going to encounter the bit, but it also, in case you have rotational force happening where it wants to spin, it's going to do a great job keeping you safe. Well, if you have any of these type of accessories that you really like for your drill press, won't you share them in the comments below? And if you like this drill press, you saw it in the background, go, what is that drill press? Check out our video where we review this drill, and you'll see that in the comment section below. There's a great link, and also on the end card where you can go and just see as we walk step by step through this Powermatic 18-inch variable speed drill press. If you found this to be helpful, won't you like the video, and better yet, subscribe to our channel, and when you do, ring the bell so that we'll notify you immediately when a new video comes out about shops, tool reviews, in the garden, in the kitchen, truck life, and just general hands-on living. Until the next time, this is Dirt Farmer Jay from dirtfarmerjay.com.